Before modern medicine saved millions, humanity placed its hope and lives into bizarre, spine-chilling machines. What you're about to see will shock you. Watch till the end and comment below. Would you dare try any of these? Röntgensteed -1957. A mechanical seat resembling a horse was designed to keep children still while receiving chest X-ray. Dr. Clark's spinal apparatus -1878. A bizarre and largely impractical device intended to treat scoliosis. It is now seen as one of the more eccentric medical inventions. Height stretching device -1931. Tested by US officials, this machine claimed to increase height by 2 to 6 inches through body stretching, though it lacked scientific backing. Dissecting room -1902, Jefferson Medical College. Partially dissected cadavers were laid out for medical students. It was a standard, though graphic, part of medical education. Optokinetic drum eye experiment -1960. Dr. G.H. Byford stood inside a rotating drum wearing a contact lens with a tiny lamp attached. The experiment explored eye reflexes and visual illusions at the RAF Institute of Aviation Medicine. Facial masks for war victims, WWI. Artist Anna Ladd painted and fitted lifelike masks for soldiers with facial disfigurements. These masks helped restore a sense of identity and dignity to wounded veterans. Wire suit for space and speed research -1960. This wired suit was designed to measure body temperature under extreme conditions. It was used in studies related to high-speed travel and space exploration. Electroretinogram, 1930s. A device that measured electrical activity in the retina. The early versions involved numerous wires connected to the eyes, making the patient look like a sci-fi experiment or torture victim. Despite its eerie look, the technique is still used today. Röntgen look-through machine, 1929, Germany. A modern X-ray machine at the time that allowed internal viewing of the body while keeping the operator safe from radiation. Self-suspension for scoliosis treatment, 1850–1900. Patients suspended themselves to straighten their spine before being wrapped in plaster. A primitive, yet innovative approach to treating spinal deformities. Brainwave measuring device -1940. A machine developed in 1940 to record brainwaves. It used for flexible rods attached directly to the scalp to transmit brainwave data for analysis. Electric water bath therapy to 1938. A woman placed her arms and legs in for water tubs connected to electrical currents to boost blood circulation, a rather unusual method of therapy. Ergonic chair, World War I, used to administer general electric treatments to patients with psychological issues. It aimed to improve mental health through controlled electric stimulation. Portable iron lung -1955. Introduced in Denmark in 1952, this home-use respirator helped patients with paralyzed lungs breathe. Oxygen was pumped via a rubber reservoir bag compressed by an electric motor. Hands-off physiotherapy -1920. At Walter Reed Hospital, early physiotherapy involved no direct contact, a practice that now seems quite unorthodox. Cobalt rotating machine, 1955. A device that rotated around the patient, delivering radiation to destroy cancerous tumors. It was an early and aggressive method of cancer treatment. 2 million-volt X-ray therapy machine, New York. At Francis Delafield Hospital, a physician adjusted the path of an ultra-high energy X-ray beam to treat advanced cancers. Motorized eye models. Large mechanical eye models operated by motors were developed by aerospace medical researchers to study visual mechanics and perception. First electrocardiograph ECG, developed by Cambridge Scientific Instruments. This machine could monitor heart activity, a major leap in cardiac diagnosis. Iron lung respirator -1938. A full-body respirator where the patient lay motionless as the machine helped them breathe, a common scene during the polio epidemic. Medical office on a hospital train -1900. A fully equipped mobile clinic allowed for patient care on moving trains, especially during wartime or remote deployments.